code problem. Okay, so this is contest 157 and we are going to understand this question. Okay, so what you can do, I'll visually I will explain you later, right? But for now, what we can do, we can go through to run this application. Okay, and like this program, right? And then we'll discuss more tomorrow. Okay, so let's understand first how we are going to solve this. Okay, so this is you can say string style problem, and you can say math problem. That's a perfect blend of substring and prime numbers. Okay, and we will solve using the, you can say, sum of largest substring we will do, and we'll break it down to understand the intuition. Okay, so let's pause this video and go through first so you will understand clearly. So the question is saying that we have given the sum of largest prime string. We have given a string and we have to find the sum of three largest prime numbers that can be formed using any of the substring. Okay, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, then we have to return the sum of three largest prime numbers that can be formed if fewer than three exist, right? Return the sum of all the prime numbers. Okay, if no prime numbers can be formed, return 0. Right, means what we have given string we have given, and we have to find the sum of three largest unique prime numbers that can be formed using any of its substring. Return the sum of the three largest unique prime numbers that we have found, right? You do the sum. If first you have to do the sum and you have to return that can be formed if fewer than 3 exist, return the sum of all the available prime numbers. If no prime numbers can be formed, return 0. The prime numbers should be, you can say, is a natural number that is greater than 1 and should be a factor 1 and itself. Substring is a continuous sequence of characters within a string. So each prime number should counted only once, even if it appears multiple substring additionally. When converting a substring to an integer, any leading zeros are ignored. Okay, for example, this is the given example we have, and this is the answer is coming. So if you will find the you can say prime numbers, right, what you will get 1 2 2 3 4, right? So these are the you can say substrings are there, right? And you have to form the unique prime numbers. So you will find the prime numbers like this, right? These are the prime numbers. If you will see, three largest prime numbers will be these three, and if you do this their sum, you will get this answer. Similarly, we have other examples that you can pause and you can go through. Okay, so how we are going to solve this, right? So what we have given, you just pause and go through again, right? So what we have given a string of digits like 1 2 2 3 4, right? And what is our job? So our job is to generate all the possible substring, right? First of all, we will find all the possible substring, then we will convert into the numbers. Okay, and then we will ignore the leading 0, right? So to ignore the leading 0, right, we have to take care of some things, right? So first we will check the, is this a prime number or not, right? That we will check, and then we will keep only the unique prime numbers and we'll pick the top 3 largest one, right? So top 3 largest we have to pick, right? And we'll do the sum and then we'll return. But we have to pick only the top 3 largest one, and we'll do their sum and we'll return. What is the key challenge is there? To avoid the duplicate prime numbers, right? That is not given here. If you'll pause the video, yes, and go through the complete statement, there is only one challenge is there: avoid duplicate prime numbers. How we are going to do that? So handle largest number greater than the integer max value. If it is greater than, then we should return in, not in the number. You have to return in a largest number, right? So you have to check also that. Means first challenge is that we have to avoid the duplicate prime numbers, and then we have to also handle the largest numbers that is greater than integer or max value, right? And then we'll check for the prime numbers. So that should be efficient. Okay, I hope you understand, right? So before going that, let me do this. So there is a example. So just think that we have string with this we have given. So what are the all strings are there? So these are the strings are there. Okay. If you do the substring, you will find these are the substring you will get, right, of this one. And if you will convert this and filter the prime numbers, you will get these prime numbers, right? So first of all, you have to write the substring and then you have to filter the what prime numbers, and over that then you have to do what, you have to find the three largest prime numbers and then you will do sum and finally will return the answer, right? You understand the steps, right? Find all the substring, convert them into the prime numbers and then return into the top three largest prime numbers and do the sum and return it. Let's understand the steps. First of all, we have given the strings and we have written in the long, right? So return is a long type, so we will parse into the largest long type, right? So the given string is there. So what we will do to handle the challenge, what is the key challenge was there, means there will be a duplicate prime number. So how we are going to handle, we have to avoid the duplicate prime numbers, and for that we'll take some unique numbers, right? And for that we'll use the hash set. Okay, now there is the first way we have to generate all the substring. So let's do the substring. To you write this piece of code and you will do substring. We'll do more deep dive tomorrow, guys. First let's go through this one. So you can pause this and you can write this piece of code. Okay, so what this piece of code will do, just it will generate all the substring. Further, the another step, it will do what, it will filter the prime numbers, right? So the first we have generated the substring, all the substring of the given string, right? And then we'll do the filter. How we are going to do the filter, we'll take a prime number list. You check for the prime numbers. If these are prime numbers, right, add it into this list, right? Now what we should do, to find the top three, just sort in the descending order. You have the list, right? On the list, if you do reverse order, right, collections, there is a collection having the reverse order, automatically it will reverse it, right? And then you do the sum. Top three you will get and top three sum you will do and you will return it. So this is pretty less effortless problem, right? You have to just find three steps you have to do, right, majorly. The first step is to generate the substring. Another step to filter the prime numbers. Third step is to sort it. That is very easy. And then you have to do the sum and you have to return it, right? I hope you understand, guys, right? Let me know in the comment box that it's a good answer solution or you have better solution. If you have better solution, please ping me in the comment box. I'll go through that. Okay, and we'll try to cover into my deep dive session. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box and please subscribe this channel for more updates and better videos and better deep dive session. Please like, comment and subscribe for more DSA solutions, and I'll see you the next time, and keep coding. Let's complete the another question from the contest 157.